Hello and welcome back. So at this time we have our content array in here. Okay, we have content array with our number and the plus or minus sign inside of this array. So I think we have to make a function to our function label here depend on this content array. Is okay. And after that we have to make a real function. For example, we have to make with this content array in here, we have to make a function 3 plus 2 is 5, and we have to check the result. If the result is from the 1 or 2 or 3, we accept it, or if the result is the other, for example, if 5 is bigger than 3, so we have to request a function label again. Okay, it's very clear. So I think first of all we have to do the first job, that we make a function label depend on our content array. Okay, so we clean to make for us a little bigger zoom in here. Okay, so this is our create function label, and we print out at the end of this create function label, we print out the content array. So depend on content array, we will have to create to check the result or make our function label in here. Okay, so I think we will make a function like check result, and the variable is about the content array in here. Okay, so we have to create this check result. Here we can make the content array, and the variable type is about the string array. Okay, it's the same. Here you can see content array is string array, so we put it in here and here. Okay, so we will make a new function. Variable is a string. Okay, so we make a for loop. Is I is equal 0, I smaller than content array dot count I plus plus. Okay, now this is our for plus plus here. Okay, in this for loop we have to use the separate the odd and even number again, because you remember that inside of our content array the even number is number, even index is number, and the odd index is sign. And you can see here odd index is sign and even. So we have to separate it by if I %2 is equal to. So in this case we have a number. Okay, so function variable in here, function string in here equal to function plus we next a content array number I, we call the number I of the index I of this content array, and I want to plus a space at the end of this number. Okay, and similar and and similar for the other type. If our index is odd number, we can function equal to function plus contentsArray I, and we insert more space at the end of this side. Okay, so we have enough for our for loop in here. In next, we will insert function. We insert more equal sign and question mark sign at the end of this function. So we have to plus, because we already have a space at the end of the function, so we can put in here and one more space and question mark in here. Okay, after we have a function label, a function string here, we set our function label. We can console function label. We can set text to the function string. Okay, so let's check. We can run our code again and check. Now start. Okay, we have 3 plus 1. Here we have a space here, 3 space plus 1 space equal space question mark. Okay, with contentsArray in here. Okay, now we can check more by press one button, and you see 2 plus 1 in here, 2 plus 1, number 2, 3 plus 2 minus 3 is perfect. Okay, 2 plus 3 plus 2 minus 2. Okay, I check, for example, I will check in file here. I check file number in here. Okay, we have a little big room in here. Need a little big room in here, so I think I will smaller this font. We will system bow to 20. We can connect to the 18. Check. Okay, this is perfect now. So now we have a first job about to change our function label in here is okay now. And the next job, we have to calculate this function, this real function. We have to calculate this, and after calculate this, we have to check this result of this function is bigger than 3 or smaller than 1. If at this case, we have to change a function. Okay, so I will help you to do this in next section. Okay, see you in next lecture.